Hello everyone, welcome to the food production class. In this video, we're going to learn and discuss about the forced meat, the types of forced meats, and the different uses and the products from the forced meat. Okay, the forced meats, and you easily described in their word. Force means we use the power to that meat. Means we use to trying to be uh, crush that meat. Okay, the forced meat is a mixture of the ground and lean meat, or could be a game, poultry, or fishes. Okay, that emulsifies. Okay, emulsifies can be accompanied by either be a grinding, a sieving, and the puring of the ingredients. Okay, the emulsify may either be smooth or coarse, means the whatever force meat or the grind we are using, it could be very coarse, it could be in a paste form, or it could be in the coarsely, mean there could be a shredded form. Okay, dependent on the what kind of desired consistency product we are going to be making. Okay, so there are through the force meat we are making lots of product in the charcuterie. Okay, that's like the pate is called of the French word which is terms for the paste, means in that product we use the ground force meat, means totally in the paste form. Okay, the terrine is the Latin word from the terra, which is meaning earth, means the terrine means the earthenware cooking or this kind of. The galantine, which is also a force meat product which is using of making chicken. The volantine is again the Italian meaning from the vola, means the balls we are making. The quenelle, which means a dumpling, and the rollers means or the roller, means we roll that product. And the mousseline is a French which means for the fruit. There are lots of force meat used in that product. Okay, means there are the product which is the force meats are used to make this kind of product. What are the composition of the force meat, means what kind of composition, means what kind of ingredient we use in that force meat. The dominant meat, means the major part of the force meat are basically or the 40% of the component of meat. Okay, from which is all fat and bones and skins are must be removed. Meat is a purely meat. Okay, which is called, we can say, casual flesh of the animal. Okay, means if we using the chicken with the part majorly we use the remove all kind of fat, all kind of bones from that. Okay, and we try to uh, take a better part of the like a breast have the major part of the flesh. Okay, so that's how we using the measure of 50% of meat in that. Okay, the lean pork contribution to bulk could be a 30% of the component. Okay, the pork fat gives the richness and the smoothness to the product quality of the forced meat. Okay, the binding agent are need to edit. Okay, what kind of we are making, it gives the finer texture means it give to be combined and then give the appearance to that force meat. They are typically used in making of the poultry and fish. Okay, in the game of veal or pork, they have own binding quality of the protein, which is so don't need to be a binding agent in that. Seasoning is majorly used as the salt. Okay, so 20 gram salt as a per kilo kg of the mixture of means of the force meat. Okay, MSG also can be used as in the composition of the force meat. The flavoring agents like herbs, spices also used in that. Garnish can be gentle garnish such as the lamb fillet in the lamb farce, which is provide a fiscal focal point of that force meat, and the inspired such as pistachio, crushed peppercorn also. Additive are also used to enhance the color and the increasing the shelf life to contribute to the taste and the prevent from the bacteria. Okay, so that are the composition of for the force meat. Now we will discuss about the types of force meat. Okay, the first is the camping or country style force meat. The farce as a dense and coarse texture. Okay, the character which is result of the lack of sophisticated equipment in the early days and was chopped with the two knives. Means the earlier where there no machine and no power of such equipment were available, so by the hand we try to uh, cut the meat. It means we try to ground in that. The keema is the example of or that. Okay, which is how we do that keema, means we try to go convert into ground and coarse quality. Okay, we take the two knives and try to again cut it down the meat. Okay, so today the usually combination of the coarsely ground farce means the force meat okay, which is smooth and ground so that chunks of the meat are visible in the mass of the mixture. Highly seasoned, like the we can add onion, garlic, bell pepper, okay. So that is the country style of force meat, okay, which is usually used making of the kebab, means we just coarsely ground in that we add the onion and garlic and add it to that, okay. The straight and basic force meat, that is another types of force meat. The straight and basic force meat are produced by the progressively grinding the equal parts of pork and the pork fat, okay, with the third down dominant meat, okay, right. Majorly we use the pork pork part and the pork fat equally at 1/3 of the major meat, means if we are making the chicken, the straight and basic meat, so to that we 1/3 of the we will add pork fat and pork meat into that. That's called be a straight and basic force meat in that, which can be pork and other meat such as veal and duck and rabbit. The poultry fish are normally not used in that straight and basic force meat. We trying to understand, that's why I gave the example. So whenever we do not add a fish, poultry and fish in the basic force meat, we add the main red meat to that, okay. So it is more refined, having a finer texture in that. Grantine is another force meat which is name given to the force meat prepared by the pre-cooked meats, means the lightning searing, means they try to cook that until that become light color gain, means the lightly searing in the oil or and get the brown color in that. After the cooking, then we after the complete cooking before grinding, the density of force meat is slightly lighter, okay, become light in the weight, and the two, so that's because they lose their binding power due to the cooking, so that compensates the extra eggs are add in that to as a binding, okay. So the grantine force meat means we cook the meat, then the grind, but before the grinding we add the binding agent to much more binding agent to combine them. Smooth line style force meat are prepared with the lean white and light mess meats like a fish and chicken, okay. The most distinctive flavor of the type of fat is the cream combined with the processing of components ultra fine consistency, means we use the cream to making a smooth paste of that, okay, and use the flavoring that's like shallots, white wine or white pepper to that. Emulsion force meat, okay, the name is derived from the ratio component of the force meat. Emulsive and force meat, we using a different kind of force meat to grind them, okay. Five parts of meat, 4 parts of the fat, and the 3 parts of ice. It is usually extensive in making sausage like frankfurters and bologna, so that emulsify force meat using also sausage, and that can be made from any kind of meat. However, the fish is not considered for the suitable for the emulsified force meat. It is a commercial mixture and perfectly smooth paste, okay, and seasoning and flavoring is varying on the manufacturer, okay. The pork jaw fat is common fat used in that force meat, okay. So that are the types of force meat, okay. Now we'll discuss about the steps to making a basic force meat, how we can make a basic force meat. The first is gathering a mise en place means collect all the kind of dominant meat, okay, with the ratio seasoning on what platform, and do the marination, means try to get the flavoring in that, added all the thing, and grinding means trying to making what desired product you want, like in kind to be smooth paste or coarsely, okay. So after the passes from the sieving means after the grinding we pass through to remove any kind of the scratches or skin from that force meat, adding the mixing additive flavors and the binding to that, and the taste means how it look like the taste is it, to according that manage that, and the cooking as a design, okay. It could be you want to smoked, or you want to cured, or you want to directly prepared. The binders like eggs, non-fat dairy milk powder, creams, okay. The pandas can be made from the stretchy ingredients, which is like adding the binding process, okay. So that are the basic lineup of the how to make force meat. The use of force meat is many kind of products like tearing and michelin, which is especially the all kind of cold preparation and the hot preparation where the ground or coarsely meat is used, that we, okay. So that's how we use the force meat. All that's all in that video. Thank you, and in the next video we'll talk about the breeze and cues and marinades. Thank you.